Assalamu'alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Welcome back to the Islamic Circles channel, a place where we strive to share meaningful discussions, important global issues, and inspiring stories related to the Muslim world. Thank you for joining us once again. May peace, mercy, and blessings be upon all of you wherever you are watching from. Today, we are going to discuss a statement that has captured the attention of people around the world. After being openly criticized and attacked by Donald Trump, many expected Pope Leo to remain silent. Many believed he would avoid confrontation or choose a safer path. But instead of silence, Pope Leo responded firmly and fearlessly, making it clear that he does not fear Trump, his administration, or the pressure that comes with speaking the truth. And during his visit to Cameroon, Pope Leo went even further. His message was not just political. It was deeply moral and spiritual.
Woe to those who manipulate religion in the very name of God for their own military, economic, or political gain.
He warned the world about the danger of those who misuse religion for power, control, and personal agendas. Without directly naming anyone, his words carried a powerful meaning that resonated across nations, cultures, and faiths. He spoke about how dangerous it is when religion is manipulated to justify aggression, hatred, division, and war. He reminded the world that faith should never become a tool for domination or destruction. Religion was meant to guide humanity toward compassion, justice, mercy, and peace, not toward violence and conflict.
The world is being ravaged by a handful of tyrants. The masters of war pretend not to know that it takes only a moment to destroy. Yet often, a lifetime is often not enough to rebuild. They turn a blind eye to the fact that billions of dollars are spent on killing, on devastation, yet the resources needed for healing, education, and restoration are nowhere to be found.
Listen carefully to this message, because it goes far beyond one politician, one country, or one conflict. Pope Leo's warning touches the heart of a growing global issue.
But woe to those who manipulate religion in the very name of God for their own military, economic, or political gain, dragging that which is sacred into darkness and filth.
Around the world, there are influential voices who attempt to frame political conflicts as religious battles. Some leaders and public figures present wars and military actions as if they are supported by God himself. This kind of rhetoric is extremely dangerous because it can influence millions of people and create hatred between communities that should be living side by side in peace. This warning was not abstract. It directly reflects the kind of language used by figures such as Pete Hegseth, who has repeatedly described America's conflicts in ways that resemble a so-called holy war against Islam. In the context of tensions involving the United States and the Islamic Republic, this rhetoric becomes even more alarming. Military actions are often portrayed as morally righteous, as though divine approval has been granted for destruction and violence. But this is exactly what Pope Leo exposed and challenged. He made it clear that when leaders speak in the name of God to justify war, domination, and suffering, they are not protecting religion, they are abusing it. And this is where the real danger begins. Because once religion is turned into a political weapon, truth is replaced with propaganda, compassion is replaced with hatred, and division begins to spread through the hearts of ordinary people. History has shown us the devastating consequences of manipulating faith for political and military purposes. Entire nations have been destroyed, innocent lives have been lost, and generations have suffered because powerful individuals chose to exploit religion instead of honoring its true values. Billions of dollars continue to be spent on war, weapons, and destruction, while millions of people around the world still struggle with poverty, hunger, lack of education, and humanitarian crises. Pope Leo's message is therefore not only a criticism, but also a call for reflection. He is asking humanity to think deeply about the direction the world is heading. Are we building bridges between people, or are we creating more walls of hatred and fear? Are we using religion to inspire peace and justice, or are we allowing it to become a justification for endless conflict? For Muslims, Christians, and people of all faiths, this message carries an important reminder. True faith should bring people closer to justice, kindness, humility, and respect for human life. It should never be used as an excuse to spread violence or oppression. No religion teaches hatred as a virtue, and no sincere believer should celebrate the suffering of innocent people. So today, the question is no longer simply political, it is moral. Will humanity continue allowing religion to be manipulated for power and destruction? Or will we stand together for truth, justice, compassion, and a peace that truly honors God instead of exploiting His name for worldly ambitions? This is a conversation the world can no longer ignore. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this discussion meaningful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Islamic Circles for more thoughtful content about the Muslim world and important global issues. Well, dear viewers of Islamic Circles, that brings us to the end of today's discussion. We hope this information has been beneficial and inspiring. See you in the next video. Thank you.